Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I will show you how to clean the oven with baking soda and vinegar. This is what my oven looks like inside. It is very dirty. There are a lot of spills and dirt, and of course it needs to be cleaned. Remove all trays and rugs from the oven. I also have a side rugs in the oven that also needs to be removed. Now, with the help of a scraper, I have such a metal or plastic card. You need to scrape off everything that is peeled off. All pollution will scatter in different directions, so it is better to cover the floor in front of the oven with something. This can be newspapers, paper towels or rags. And another little tip, so that after such cleaning your knees don't hurt, lay a soft towel under them. Everything you've scraped off should be wiped away using paper towels. Now let's make an oven cleaning paste. You will need 4 tablespoons of baking soda. I add 1 tablespoon of water to the soda and 1 tablespoon dish soap. Now everything needs to be mixed. As a result, you should get a paste. If it turns out liquid, add soda. If it is thick, add water. With a sponge, I apply the paste to all the walls of the oven. Also, don't forget to put the paste on the oven door. I told in detail how to disassemble and clean the oven door between the glasses in other video. I leave a link to it in the hint and in the description. Remember that this paste should not be applied to the fan, burners or heating element if you have an electric oven. Therefore, be very careful. My oven is very dirty, but this method should work. If you want to keep it always in perfect condition, just wipe it with a damp soapy sponge immediately after cooking and then with a damp cloth. Thus, pollution will not accumulate. If you don't have time for that, then determine for yourself what the level of pollution should be. By the way, all spilled food and greasy splashes burn more and more each time, and after a while you can smell a slight burning smell from the oven. So I apply the paste on the oven and now leave it like that for 30 minutes. During this time I will clean the side rugs. For this I need 1 dishwasher tablet. It must be completely dissolved in boiling water. Then I pour the rugs with the resulting solution. After 5 minutes the rugs can be cleaned. See what color the water has become. All fat is immediately dissolved and the rest of the dirt is easily cleaned off with a hard sponge. The water is very hot, so be careful. After cleaning the rugs, rinse them under running water and wipe them dry. Now I turn to cleaning the drawer, which is located under the oven. I take everything out of it and then I clean it with a damp sponge and dish soap. If you haven't taken the drawer out completely in a long time, then do it now. There is a lot of dust under it and there might be a web behind the drawer. It will be enough to vacuum everything here and wipe it with a damp cloth. Let's get back to cleaning the oven. Now you need plain white vinegar. I poured it into a spray bottle to make it easier. I spray vinegar on one side of the oven and start cleaning. For cleaning, I use a hard sponge. At the bottom of the oven, I have a very strong burn, therefore I spray the bottom with vinegar and clean everything I can with a hard sponge. Then, with a metal scraper, I clean off all the burnt food residues. After cleaning, the oven must be wiped well from the remnants of the paste. Therefore, wipe, rinse the clothes under running water, wipe again, and this will have to be done many times. My oven is already clean. I put the racks in place. Well, look friends, what an amazing result. Yes, I had to rub it, but if you want to clean the oven without chemicals, then this way to clean the oven with baking soda and vinegar is perfect for you. If you like these tips, don't forget to give a thumbs up under the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, see you in other videos.